Hello, welcome to another video where I'll be doing a market forecast on GBPUSD. Today is the 15th of November and it's Sunday, so I'll be doing a market forecast on the price movement of GBPUSD. Basically, in doing this market forecast, I will be beginning on the weekly time frame. Basically, I'm on the weekly time frame, so let's get into the charts and let's analyze the charts together and let's be able to spot opportunities together. So basically what happened also, guys, I just have to mention there was a reaction here and we got a trading opportunity. It was a 1:15 which to reward ratio trade. As I was scaled down into the lower time frame, you will be able to see the trade which was taken. So basically, if we look at GBPUSD, GBPUSD started creating a series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, broke structure here to the upside, started creating a high, telling us here at this point that the market was bullish. So this low created this high, which created this low. From this lowest point, market ended up breaking structure to the upside, creating this highest point. And from the highest point, price was coming down here. And if we look at the structure within this area, so let me so this was the lowest point which broke structure here to the upside to create this highest point. So basically this higher low created this higher high, so we're expecting for price to react somewhere in the market and continue to move up based on what the weekly time frame is telling us. But basically, where are we expecting price to react? Remember, based on my analysis on my system, I focus solely on demand and supply zones, and demand and supply zones provide a price reaction on higher time frame. So basically, this demand zone was created here and the price came down into the demand zone. I got mitigated. As it was moving up, it created another demand zone here. Price came down, reacted, and then started moving up, and it started moving up directly. I started more, it created another demand zone. All these demand zones are demand zones on the weekly time frame. You understand? So as it created the demand zone, basically we're expecting price to come down into this demand zone and provide a reaction and to give us a buy setup. And in my buy, I'm expecting price to buy up to this point. Price came here and started dropping down on the weekly time frame, but it's not a problem. I'm expecting price to come up here. So basically, based on my knowledge and based on what I'm expecting, we are still expecting for a buy around here. So we'll scale to the lower time frame. And guys, remember, this lowest point created this lower high. So basically, I'm focusing only on what is happening here on the weekly time frame. From this lowest point to this highest point, this is the only demand zone that was not yet mitigated. This had been mitigated, this had been mitigated, this had been mitigated. So expecting price to come here, give us a reaction and just move over. And exactly what the price came down, provided a reaction and started going upward, to telling us on the weekly time frame we're expecting price to give us buying opportunities. So now I scale on the daily time frame. I scale now on the daily time frame. As simple as that. So basically, I'll go now to the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, what can we see? We can clearly see that price has provided a reaction on this weekly time frame. And in providing this reaction at this level, we can clearly see that price created a low, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So basically, I'm expecting price to provide a reaction within this area for us to take a buy upwards. So my final target where I'm expecting price to be able to buy and come is up to this point. It's true, market condition does changes, and there's an event that the market condition might change and price continues to sell. Continue to see that. But since trading is a game of probabilities, most of my probability is price buying. So this is a demand zone forms on the daily time frame, and we can clearly see market created a lower low here. That is not really clear. Market created a lower low here. Then there's a potential for price to continue to sell. I was expecting for price to continue to sell based on this lower low. Price had to come as it was going up. We had to give a reaction here and to continue the movement downward, continue creating lower lows. But instead, what happened? Price came down, broke this previous high, which was here, to create another higher high, and started retracing downwards into this one-day demand zone. It's simply telling us there's a possibility for price to give us a buy within this area. It must not be like the way I put it or whatsoever. It must not be like that. But in my bias, I'm expecting price to give me a particular buy here for me to target the movement upward up to this daily supply zone. And from this daily supply zone, we might now see if you can say, but basically at the moment, I'm expecting price to give us a buy within this zone. So this coming week, you guys should be watching out. You guys should watch out this zone which I'm mapping out. Yes, this is the demand zone. You guys should watch out this zone. I'll be watching out the charts also. My forecast for GBPUSD this week is buy. So stick to the video and be able to see if you are able to spot this setup. Basically here, guys, this is a 1:11 setup. It was a setup which I took basically because I was expecting price to start buying upward because of this reaction here. So this is just 1:11 risk to reward ratio setup which I took, and unfortunately, luckily, the trade played out successfully in very few in no time. So the trade was actually a 3-day trade. So I'm a swing trader focused on holding positions over a long period of time. So basically, if I get another opportunity for a buy, I'll go into the buy. So guys, that's all for this video. Stay tuned to my channel. Try to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share the videos, guys. I'll keep on sending market forecasts on the various pairs which I trade. I did not see it necessary for me to send a market forecast on USD because the market was not actually clear at the moment. So since GBPUSD is really clear at the moment, I was able to predict the market direction. And guys, I must tell you guys, I'm in forecasting the market. I'm right at least 90% of the time in terms of market direction. Entry criteria is a different thing, but in terms of market direction, I'm right at least 90 to 95% of the time. Stay tuned to my channel, continue to watch my videos, and stay blessed.